Hello everyone, this is Kristen. In today's video I'm going to show you how I got this eye look. I used something I shouldn't have bought. I bought these Profusion UltraViolet Space Babe Glitter Rock To the Moon palettes. Truly shouldn't have bought them. Should have returned them. They were so cheap. Honestly, I already had all these colors, except for maybe the glitters. Anyways, yeah. So I did this look. To the moon, Alice. To the moon. Anyways, so yeah, so I used something out of all of these little palettes. Like I said, they were cheap. I don't remember what they cost. Anyways, whatever. So this is a little glitter palette. I don't think I used the blue at the very ends of my eyes. So there's that. We have this UltraViolet palette. There we go. This 9-pan palette in a very awkward packaging, and oh, it's so hard to open. I hate it. I mean, it's cute, but you know what? Fucking gimmick. It's a gimmick. These are the colors inside. Probably could have used this glitter, but there's two glitters in this one, and then we have a green with sparkles in it like how ColourPop does. Kind of annoying, but I used colors in there. And then of course we have the Big Daddy. This is the big palette. There we go. Honestly, I shouldn't have bought it. And this one looks like it has 3 actual pressed glitters in it. Not mad at the formula though. I did use the green out of this one. Maybe the blue in this one, I don't know, but my dog just burped. Yes, so I used a lot of the colors in each little palette. I used the glitters. They performed great. I don't think I've ever had a problem with Profusion palettes. Yeah, I don't think I had a problem with them. So I just created this look. I wasn't really going off of anything. I just went, and then I saw the pressed glitters and I'm like, I'm not really into pressed glitters, but we're gonna try it. Kind of feel, oddly enough, like a little Frankenfurter vibes because I pulled that greenish up this way. I don't know. Whatever. It's cool. It's cool. What can I say? It's cool. So I'm going to play how I did it afterwards, but yeah, first impressions, decent. You know, if you happen to see this in stores and you don't have these colors, by all means get them, but you know what, honestly, do as I say, not as I do. This is hyperbole, but you know what, if you have tons of eyeshadow palettes, you probably have every color in every one of these palettes. You don't need them. So, it is what it is. I'm probably gonna be not buying anything for a while. I have so much makeup. But yeah, they performed great. I used, for a tacky base, this AOA tacky base just to help the glitter stay, and they're staying pretty good right now. They are staying pretty good right now. For my highlighter, I used the Moonlighter from Black Moon Cosmetics. It's kind of like understated, but it's like this green glow here on my cheeks. I really like it. Dig it a lot. I might put on lashes later. I'm not sure. I did also pull out this is the Lunatic Cosmetic Labs Contour Palette, the first one. Gotta give that one some love. Did I use anything else of note? Not really. I used my P. Louise base, but you'll see that, I think, in the video. Yeah, so enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me a like, comment, and I would love if you subscribed as well. I may put on lashes later to go with this look. I'm not sure. I don't know if I want to deal with lashes. Of course, constructive criticism is always welcome. Down in the comments below. And oh yeah, don't forget I'm a crazy ass and I upload every single day. So I will talk to you later. Enjoy the video. See you tomorrow.